Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I am going to create this beautiful smoky eye with some glitter on it, and it's perfect for the New Year Eve. And you guys are requesting me to do a cocktail party makeup. That's why I created this look. So yeah, if you're interested in this look, and if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Firstly, I am going to moisturize my face with the Pond's Light Moisturizer. It's really important to moisturize your face, don't skip it. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows with this pack Eye Super Brow Eyebrow Cream. Now it's time for prime your face. For the primer, I am using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It's a silicone based face primer, so it will do your base really smoothly. And for my foundation, I am going to use this Superstay foundation by Maybelline, and I am in the shade 310, and it gives the flawless base. You guys, I really love this foundation. And for the my concealer, I am using this matte look concealer in the shade beige, and this is a super concealer, really super duper coverage. It has super duper coverage, and I am really loving this. It's my new concealer. And yeah, and for setting my face, I am using this Fit Me loose powder in the shade light medium. Now to contour my face, I am using this Wet n Wild contour palette, and it's a really supremely melted powder. I love this powder. And yeah, for my blush, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose, and it is like a shimmer blush, so it gives me that glow, and I really love this. But if you have texture, I don't recommend this blush at all. For highlighter, I am using this Makeup Revolution highlighter in the shade Dare to Divulge. It have like a silvery undertone to it. It's perfect for me. It's perfect for the medium skin tone, and I think it's perfect for the winter too. And for my eyes, as a transition shade, I am using this contour shade, and I'm blending it with my nose contour actually, so that it gives me that snatched nose look. So yeah, now for my eyes, I am using this shade from the Makeup Revolution Curses and Hexes palette. It's like a grayish brownish shade, so it's it is giving me a depth. Now I am using this black shade with the help of a packing brush, and I'm packing it like a circle, and I'm blending it with a detailed blending brush. Now I am using this silvery kind of shade in the middle of my eyes with the help of a finger first. Then I'm going to blend it with a blending brush actually, so it gives you that soft wala finish. Then for my under eyes, I am using this Matte Looks kajal. You can use any kajal. Yeah, I am overdrawn it. Then I am going to smudge it with a pencil brush. Then I am using this Maybelline gel liner, and I am also doing a cat eye moment here, and I really love this how it turned out. I am using the same silver shade underneath my under lower lash line. Yeah, so it gives you that halo wala look. I really love this. Now I am curling my lashes, and then I'm going to use some mascara, and for the mascara I am using this Essence Lash Princess mascara, and obviously I'm going to use some false lashes later on. And for my lipstick I'm using this Mars lip crayon in the shade I Am Fierce, and also use some lip gloss here. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I really love this look. I really proud how it turned out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, be God.